Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. And if you're just joining, my name is Kelly Glow. So on today's bridal episode, I'll be letting you know how I did these beautiful looks. The tips I'll be giving you is on how you can do your light setup if you are outside. First off, you should know that if you're working on a dark skin, they don't need too much light outside if you're doing an outdoor shoot. If you're working on a light skin, these people need light because they easily cast up shadows. Like shadows easily come towards them. Most times you cannot really get that crystal clear result you really want when you work on a light skin without more light. Now, you should know that as a makeup artist, you should have a reflector. Reflector will go a long way for you. If you don't have a reflector, my dear, you will not really get a good result. You actually need a reflector to help you get that desired result of yours. The makeup needs to be looking pink, and then you should not rely on editing in as much as you have to edit your work. Editing only helps you to boost your work. But if your skin work is not giving, trust me, that work will not really be fine, even if you over edit. And then you should invest your money in lights. You need lights. And there is something I realized as a growing makeup artist. I'll be like, why are these people using this thing? Like my mentors at the front, I'll be like, these people are wasting their money. But this stuff is still working at. Yeah, it's still working at. But there is something I realized. If you're not wearing a shoe, you will not conclude how that shoe is until you get there. You actually need light. You actually need to invest in light, because if you don't invest in light, you will not get a good result. Certain light gives certain results. Certain light make your jobs to look flawless. So if you're not investing on a good light, trust me, you will not get a good result. And if you're doing outdoor shoot, like you have a model, you're doing outdoor shoot, you should always clean the back of your camera. This cleaning of the back of the camera can never be overemphasized. You should clean the back of your camera, because if you don't clean the back of your camera before you do any video, the video will be blurry. And always make sure that the person or the model is in that box that is indicated, that box that you see there. That box is not for fancy. The box means that is a focus in order for you to get a detailed video or picture. So if you're working on a client, or if you're doing a video for an outdoor shoot on a model and the person is light skinned, always make sure that the light is directly above the head. You understand? It should it should hit the head properly. It should not be below the head or like the same length with the head. No, it should be above the head. Then make sure that box comes in properly. If there is a possibility to use reflector outdoor, you use it and make sure you get a good result. Then if you're to edit your videos, I advise you, please use CapCut. CapCut tend to retain the way your pictures or videos are. It tends to retain it. It tends to give that texture. It doesn't remove the texture, because most times I see videos that are edited, like too edited, and I tend to wonder why would the pictures or videos would be extra edited. So CapCut helps you to get that texture. It gives you that glow and nice detailed finish. And then you should also invest in good products. These are the few things you need to do, or you need to know, to get a flawless result. If you really want to excel as a makeup artist, try investing in your skill and products. I will see you up in my next video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. I really love you all. Bye.